Introducing the Digital Summer Camp of WordPress Training. Your one-stop shop for mastering all things WordPress. Our comprehensive course includes not only WordPress training, but also valuable tools like Canva, video editing, MS Office, and premium widgets worth thousands of dollars, all completely free with your enrollment. Whether you're new to WordPress or looking to enhance your existing skills, our expert instructors will guide you every step of the way. With our easy-to-follow, hands-on approach, you'll learn how to design stunning websites, optimize content for search engines, and integrate social media for maximum impact. But that's not all. Our course also includes in-depth training on Canva for designing graphics, video editing techniques to give your content a professional edge, and MS Office tools to help you streamline your workflow. And let's not forget about the premium widgets worth thousands of dollars on their own that come included with our course. Elevate your website's functionality with tools like advanced contact forms, custom post types, and social media integration. At the Digital Summer Camp of WordPress Training, we're committed to providing you with the most comprehensive and valuable training available. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your skills and take your website to the next level. Enroll now and start your digital journey today.